Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain to you Huawei phone won't connect to cellular network. Cellular network has changed the way we connect with people and information. The emergence of cellular network allows mobile devices to know news and other entertainment anytime and anywhere without relying on Wi-Fi. But if your Huawei phone is not connecting to cellular network, it means that you can't use the data in your cellular package. And you can't surf the internet or play games anytime and anywhere. But don't panic, please watch and try the methods in the video patiently. This video will help you solve the problem of Huawei phone won't connect to mobile network. Try all the steps here in the order we present. The instructions here work for almost all series of Huawei phones including Mate series, Pura series, Pocket series, Ascend W series, Ascend Y series, Nova series, Ascend GX series, G series, T series, U series, Y series, Honor series, Enjoy series and so on. Huawei phone won't connect to mobile data may be caused by the following reasons. 1. SIM card problem. The SIM card you inserted may not be activated or inserted correctly, and the SIM card may be damaged. 2. Network setting error. If your network setting is incorrect, it may also cause unable to connect to cellular network on Huawei phone. 3. Location problem. If you go abroad or use cellular network in remote places, you may not be able to use Huawei phone's mobile data due to lack of signal reception. 4. Network billing problem. If your SIM card is in arrears or the network has been used up, you may also be unable to connect Huawei phone mobile network. I believe that no matter what, when your Huawei phone has this problem, you want to fix cellular network connection problems on Android devices as soon as possible. Today's video will tell you how to fix Huawei phone not connecting to cellular network. In most cases, you can use the following methods to solve this problem. Now please try effective solutions with us. If you have other questions, you can tell us in the comment area below the video, and we will reply to you within 24 hours. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to check whether cellular data is turned on in the status of flight mode. The premise of using cellular data is that cellular data needs to be turned on and the phone is not in flight mode. If your Huawei phone is in one of the above states, your Huawei phone will naturally not be able to connect to and use cellular data. So please check the switch status of cellular data and flight mode. Please slide down from the top of the phone to open the application panel, and check whether the cellular data and flight mode functions are in normal state in the application panel. If not, please click to adjust them to normal state. After the operation, the problem of Huawei phone is unable to connect to cellular network will be solved. Method 2 is to turn off Wi-Fi. Another factor that affects Huawei phone is not connecting to the data network is Wi-Fi. If your Huawei phone has Wi-Fi turned on, the phone will automatically detect whether there is a connectable Wi-Fi and connect it. If your phone tries to connect to Wi-Fi or connects to Wi-Fi without internet, your cellular data may also be temporarily unavailable. So please turn off Wi-Fi to ensure that it is not affected by Wi-Fi. Please swipe down from the top of the phone to open the app panel. Check if Wi-Fi is on in the app panel. If it is, turn it off immediately. Method 3 is to press the power and volume down buttons at the same time. If the above two methods do not work, then try to force restart the phone. The error may be caused by older background apps or temporary files clogging the system. Force restart can solve such problems. To force restart a Huawei phone, long press the combination of Huawei phone force restart keys, power button and volume down button. Long press the combination of keys for 10 seconds or more, and wait for the Huawei phone screen to appear logo or vibrate. At this time, you can let go, your Huawei phone will automatically restart. Wait for the restart to complete, and try to use the cellular network again to check whether the problem of cellular data is not working on Huawei phone has been solved. Method 4 is to check and reinstall the SIM card. At this point, it's time to shift the source to the SIM card. If your SIM card is not installed correctly, damaged, or the cellular data has reached its peak, you will not be able to use cellular data normally. Please take out the SIM card and check if there is any damage. If not, please reinstall the SIM card. After that, turn your phone back on to check if the can't connect to mobile network on Huawei phone problem is solved. If it still persists, you can call your mobile service provider and ask them if the cellular data has reached a peak or other usage issues. Method 5 is to reset the network settings. Sometimes, the network settings may be wrong or messed up without knowing it, and resetting the network settings is the way to fix mobile data problems on Huawei phone. You will not lose any saved data and files when resetting the network settings, but you will lose the network-related settings you set. To reset the network settings, open the settings from the home screen, then scroll down to Find and tap System and Update. Then find and tap the Reset option again, and in the Reset interface, you can see the Reset Network Settings option. Please tap the Reset Network Settings option, and then continue to tap the Reset Network Settings button in the new interface to confirm the execution of the operation. Wait for the execution to complete, and try to connect to the cellular network again. Method 6 is to reset all the contents of the phone. This is the ultimate solution to solve mobile data is not working on Huawei phone, and it may be what your device needs. And this will be the last step you can do to restore your Huawei phone to factory settings. Restoring the factory settings will erase all data on your phone, including contacts, messages, media files, and apps stored in the phone's memory. So, back up your data before restoring the factory settings. Now follow the steps below to restore your Huawei phone to factory settings. Open your phone's settings, then scroll down and select the System and Update option. Then find and select the Factory Reset option on the System and Update screen. Then swipe down or tap the Reset Phone button on the Factory Reset screen. Your Huawei phone will then start to reset and will re-enter the Huawei device home screen. Finally, you can transfer your backed up data back to your Huawei phone. Method 7 is to contact your carrier or Huawei after sales service. If the cellular network is not working on Huawei phone problem persists, it may be that the SIM card or other related hardware is damaged. We recommend that you contact the Huawei After Sales Service Center or mobile carrier as soon as possible, who will provide you with professional diagnosis and repair services. If you find this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also leave your comments and suggestions in the comment area. Thank you. Good luck.